Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603 by Sunny Health and Fitness.
How fast can you run? How far can you go? What will it take to reach your fitness goals? At Soul Fitness, we ask these questions every day. Because at Soul, we believe that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout. So our engineers and designers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a complete treadmill line that has received consistent Best Buy reviews from consumers and review agencies alike over the past decade. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them an unparalleled smooth feeling and longevity. And to provide plenty of running room, we've made the decks wider and longer for a safe and comfortable exercise area. Additionally, the Cushion Flex suspension system decreases the impact of the run by up to 40% on your joints. This system, coupled with our Whisper deck, makes for a comfortable and quiet workout. And with a more powerful motor, you can keep your workout going strong. At Soul, we've focused on the details, like a more informative LCD screen, which clearly displays the stats of your workout. Our treadmills also have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. And while running on incline, you can track your vertical feet climbed, in addition to speed and distance. It's extra motivation to keep you running further and climbing higher. All of our treadmills include audio inputs and integrated speakers, so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Soul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor. Soul treadmills provide unmatched value, quality, and longevity. Because your fitness matters. Soul Fitness, offering the finest cardiovascular equipment around.
Get started and get your walk on with the SFT7643 heavy-duty walking treadmill. Walking can improve body weight, strengthen muscles, bones, and much more. Solid frame design is built to handle weights up to 350 pounds. Big treadmill deck gives the freedom to walk naturally. integrated shock-absorbing bumpers will lighten the impact on the joints with every step. Powerful motor allows you to walk or jog up to 6 miles per hour. The big button controls are designed to make adjustments quickly and easy to read. Backlit digital monitor will track your progress. Stay connected with the big integrated tablet holder. Convenient transportation wheels and foldability for simple storage. Start burning big calories and receiving big fitness results with the SFT7643 heavy-duty treadmill.
Go Plus Electric Fitness Treadmill, household private home gymnasium, helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. Ideal for everyday running workout at home. On this treadmill and exercise with it, you will lead healthier and happier life. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Large and heavy-duty construction. 17 inches by 47 inches big rubber running belt. Driven by a 2.25 horsepower impulse max motor. 3 adjustable incline levels. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display. 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access. 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. Rubber damping design. Decrease vibration. Focus on provide best home workout experience. Go Plus.
Train smarter, not harder, with the Sunny Health and Fitness T7515 Smart Treadmill. Listen to your favorite gym playlist and answer your phone via Bluetooth speakers, or simply connect directly with our auxiliary cord, all while tracking a variety of options. The handrails provide a variety of tools to help gauge your workout. Just want to get on and go? The convenient quick auto incline and speed buttons make it simple, easily accessible. The soft drop hydraulic system makes unfolding seamless. Easy to fold and move with the built-in transportation wheels. Turn ordinary into extraordinary with the Sunny Health and Fitness T7515 Smart Treadmill. Function meets portability with the 8730 and 8730G slim folding motorized treadmills by Asuna. Walk, jog, or run on the space-saving running deck. Take advantage of the 2.5 peak horsepower motor that supports speeds up to 8 miles per hour, while you reduce impact on your joints as you exercise on the shock absorption equipped deck. Monitor and control your workout with the LED lit touch capacitive console with quick select buttons as you track your speed, steps, distance, time, and calories burned. Stay safe and secure with the emergency safety key clip attached to the sturdy frame that supports up to 220 pounds in user weight. Connect to the auxiliary port and listen to your favorite music or watch your favorite show as you mount your smart device on the tablet holder. With multifunctional transportation wheels and a sleek, slim foldable design, this treadmill can be stored and used practically anywhere in a matter of seconds. Pack a functional workout in a space-saving design with the 8730 and 8730G slim folding motorized treadmills by Asuna.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.